Imagine yourself on a remote work retreat, surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, with the freedom to create without boundaries. Suddenly, you're in the midst of a critical project deadline, and your laptop's battery has reached its critical threshold. You glance at your MacBook Air, knowing that the extra time, speed, and performance it offers would be the difference between success and stress. This is the pain point that Apple's new 2025 MacBook Air aims to address. The previous generation of MacBook Airs, while sleek and powerful, had limitations in terms of processing speed and battery life. The market gap was significant, with professionals and creatives needing more from their portable workstations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Apple 2025 MacBook Air with the M4 chip, boasting unparalleled speed, battery life, and design. As we unbox and begin our review, one thing becomes clear. This is a laptop built for Apple intelligence. The moment you hold the MacBook Air, you're struck by its stunning sky blue finish and slender silhouette. The laptop's weight has been carefully managed, with a subtle curvature that nestles perfectly in your hands. With dimensions measuring 11.97 by 8.46 x 31 inches, it's easy to slip into any bag or backpack, making it the perfect companion for the modern workspace. As we delve deeper into this incredible device, we're treated to a 13.6-inch liquid retina display that is, quite simply, breathtaking. The display boasts a staggering 2560 by 1664 resolution, translating to razor-sharp text and visuals that leave you speechless. With a P3 color gamut and 25% more brightness than the previous generation, you'll experience immersive color and crystal-clear visuals even in the most demanding environments. The Apple M4 chip is where this MacBook Air truly comes alive. This latest generation Apple Silicon processor provides a massive boost in performance, handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing high-res videos or pushing your creative boundaries with demanding software like Adobe Creative Cloud or Avid Media Composer, the M4 chip effortlessly handles it all. With its powerful CPU cores, fast memory, and robust bandwidth, you'll enjoy the smoothest performance and seamless multitasking. But what truly sets this MacBook Air apart is Apple Intelligence, a suite of innovative features that enable more from your device than ever before. With Apple Intelligence, you'll discover a more connected, streamlined, and secure way to work, communicate, and collaborate. From intelligent camera features to powerful performance optimization, Apple Intelligence empowers you to stay focused, productive, and ahead of the curve. Speaking of the camera, the 12MP center stage camera provides an unparalleled video conferencing experience. With its AI-assisted tracking and intelligent zoom, you'll always appear professional, even in low-light conditions. Plus, with advanced background noise cancellation and spatial audio, your remote meetings will never be compromised. As an essential feature for modern productivity, the MacBook Air also boasts 16 gigabytes of unified memory, ensuring seamless multitasking and effortless switching between apps. This generous allocation of RAM enables you to stay in the zone, even under the most intense workloads. Storage-wise, the base model comes with a generous 256 gigabytes SSD, providing ample room for all your essential files, apps, and memories. Now, let's talk about the battery life. Apple claims up to 18 hours of battery life, which translates to an impressive level of endurance and freedom. Whether you're working in a coffee shop, attending meetings, or jetting between cities, you'll be empowered to go the distance without worrying about your power levels. But, as with any device, there are some caveats to consider. For instance, the laptop's cooling system can get warm when under intense load, which may lead to slight performance degradation. Moreover, the 13-inch display, while gorgeous, may not be ideal for those accustomed to larger screens or those requiring more vertical space. Compared to its competitors, the 2025 MacBook Air with the M4 chip shines brightly. The Dell XPS 13, while a solid alternative, falls short in terms of processor power, while the HP Spectre X360 lags behind in display brightness and resolution. Meanwhile, The Microsoft Surface Laptop 4, although a strong contender, is eclipsed by its performance, display quality, and build materials. In conclusion, the Apple 2025 MacBook Air with the M4 chip is a groundbreaking device that redefines the boundaries of portable computing. With its stunning display, blistering performance, and revolutionary Apple Intelligence features, it's the perfect choice for anyone demanding more from their laptop. Whether you're a creative, a professional, or a student, this incredible device will empower you to unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and innovation. Don't let battery life hold you back any longer. Upgrade to the 2025 MacBook Air today and experience the ultimate in performance and freedom.